we have the first image. This image simply, this is called as shabash, inner cell mass. आपको क्वेश्चन आएगा एग्जाम में, वहाँ पे एरोज ऐसे होते हैं. दिस इज आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन कि आपको पहचानना है व्हाट इज दिस. सो वी हैव दिस इनर सेल मास. हमारे पास इनर सेल मास है. दिस इज इनर सेल मास. और बेटा यहाँ पे जो लेयर है, दिस लेयर, दिस इज ट्रोफोब्लास्ट. दिस इज ट्रोफोब्लास्ट. बिल्कुल सबसे फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज़ सारा कुछ ब्लास्टुलेशन में यही डायग्राम है और यही हमारे पास है. दिस इज, सबको नजर आ रहा है? दिस इज ट्रोफोब्लास्ट. आपको पास आएगा, यहाँ पे ट्रोफोब्लास्ट नजर आता है. And the moving cells which are inside, this is called as inner cell mass. Inner cell mass is also called as embryoblast. इसको embryoblast बोलेंगे. And embryoblast जो है, it will form the future embryo, or we can call here that it will form as here to the embryo proper. Embryo proper. कैसे को बोलता है? एम्ब्रियो प्रॉपर बनेगा. याद रखना, समझना है, जानना है, लर्न करना है. बेटा यही जो सेल्स है, दे विल गेट डिफरेंशिएटेड. ये डिफरेंशिएट हो जाएंगे ये सेल्स और ये एम्ब्रियो को बनाएंगे. दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इट एज एम्ब्रियोब्लास्ट. और लेटर on in the future it will be converted in the embryo proper. And again we have this orange color sheet here, and this is called as zona pellucida. Zona pellucida. This is called as zona pellucida. अब बेटा ये जो zona pellucida है, zona pellucida will be disintegrated. This will be eroded under the effect of a hormone, a protease that's called as stapsin. That's called as stapsin. वो भी आपने मैंने समझाया था आपको. The cytotrophoblast cells will produce a hormone. They will produce an enzyme. Sorry, that enzyme is called as stapsin. और stapsin बेटा इस zona pellucida को break करेगा. ठीक है? And that process is called as hatching. That process is called as hatching. That process is called as hatching. Or in short, in simple, when we have zona pellucida intact, when we have trophoblast, and we have this cavity, and this cavity is called as blastocele. कैसे बोलेंगे? Blastocele. When we have this zona pellucida, when we have this trophoblast, when we have this cavity, that cavity is called as the blastocele, and we have this inner cell mass, and the structure is called as blastocyst. कैसे बोलेंगे? Blastocyst. अब जो blastocyst बेटा बना, blastocyst बना, and this process is called as blastulation. This is called as blastulation. Is there any problem in understanding? No, is there any question? Go ahead and explain. Can we move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Video दोस्तों. मैं पहला वाला ये implantation. बेटा ये बहुत शाबाश. नहीं दूसरा अभी ये नहीं आएगा. इसकी वॉइस करने बाद we have one more video, and here we have the morula. हमारे पास यहाँ पे morula है. It is present in the zona pellucida. You can see from the diagram, it's an actual diagram, and the blastocyst is coming out from this zona pellucida. It is left behind. We call this as hatching. अब ये जो hatching हुई of the blastocyst, can we go further? अब इसकी जो hatching हो गई, ठीक है? It will now get embedded in the endometrium. Now here, this is endometrium, and this blastocyst is going to embed. तो इसका बच्चे को भी क्वेश्चन था, ये पूरा होगा कि आधा होगा? You can see from this diagram. This, can you move it further? This will now get embedded. It will get embedded. देखो बेटा, this you can see. You can stop there. You can stop there. We have these layers. Now this is blastocyst. We have these. This is syncytial. यही है ना बेटा? This is syncytial trophoblast. This color in which is the light green in color. We have this as the syncytial trophoblast. और बेटा ये जो syncytial trophoblast है, it is now getting embedded in the endometrium. और उसके जो अंदर वाली लेयर है, this is called as cytotrophoblast. This is called as cytotrophoblast. ठीक है? And उसके बाद अभी जो बेटा हमें पढ़ना है, we will study about epiblast क्या होता है, we will study about hypoblast क्या है. Take it further. So good. आप देखो ये 10 रहा है, इसके अंदर 10 रहा है. It's entering inside, and it get completely embedded. And you can say there's a complete covering of the syncytial trophoblast. And these structures which we see here, this is beta. These are chorionic villi. ये chorionic villi. And ये chorionic villi बेटा जो अभी मैंने आपको जो बताया, कुछ चीजें, कुछ हार्मोन्स, ये कुछ प्रोटीन्स बताए, they will now take the nutrients from blood. ये ब्लड से न्यूट्रिएंट्स निकालेंगे, they will take the nutrients from blood. अब बेटा जो इसके अंदर लेयर होगी, that will the cytotrophoblast. ठीक है बेटा, cytotrophoblast. Now you can see the red color here. अब ये red, actually this is the blood of the mother. Blood of the mother. We have the blood of the mother that comes in the contact with the syncytiotropoblast, जो उसके साथ आ जाएगा. वहां पे मैंने आपको बताया there is a secretion of one protein, that protein is called as fast ligand, and this fast ligand जो बेटा है, this fast ligand जो प्रोटीन है, ये वहां पे जो इम्यूनोलॉजिकल सप्रेशन, इम्यूनोलॉजिकल रिएक्शन को, जो मां के एंटीबॉडीज है वो इनके साथ, इन सेल्स के साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे. तो फास्ट ligand is very important to suppress the immunological reaction. ठीक है बेटा, and you can see very important thing from this diagram, जो ऐसे आपको समझ नहीं आती. This red color, this is endometrium, this is endometrium, this is endometrium. You see completely this blastocyst gets embedded in the endometrium. Completely gets in the endometrium, and this process is called as implantation. It's called as implantation. Done?
Yes sir.
हो गया?
Yes, sir.
ठीक, चलो लिखिए शाबाश, लिखिए, बस इतना ही. लिखिए शाबाश, जल्दी लिखिए.